What's up? It just opened. What is it? Oh my god! I didn't order this. These are getting out of hand. An octopus? He's an octopus! They gave my cat a perm!
Look, I just flipped the switch. I don't know no.
I'm pretty sure I know which ones these are. Pink? Oh. Yo, it kind of matches the merch. Oh my god. Wait. Yo, no way. I just got the cloud. Hey there, someone told me that you might need this. Hi there, I'd like to introduce you to the newest member of the Fancy Club. It's time for initiation. Oh, yeah. You already know what the heck is going on. We have a mystery box. Sorry. Last time we got the dinosaur one. I want the chicken. Look! That could be me. Well, that could be my cat. All right. I'm gonna open it up. This is so important. Please. I want the chicken! Yeah! I didn't mean to scream that loud. We got the chicken! Yes! Let's go! Look. Guys, you're never gonna believe what's in this box! Okay, well, yes, there's a cat wearing a hat. But there's also, move out of the way! Merch! We have merch! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited! Come here, I got you something. You're gonna love it. I'm really excited. I think you're really gonna like it. Okay, so my cat joined the gardening club, and so I got him a little hat so he can fit in with the rest of the ladies. Oh my gosh! Now I've always wondered if I can put him on my shoulders, I can carry Disney World. Yeah. Oh, no way! So the first thing you want to do is get an old sock and a pair of scissors. And you're going to begin to just cut the toe off of the sock. However you can do it, that's fine. It's kind of tough, but you can get it. Once you do, just kind of toss that sucker away. You don't need it anymore. And now you want to stretch the sock out. You don't want it to be too narrow. So you're going to bunch it up like this and give it a nice pull. That way it's loose enough for you to be able to do this. Okay, my cat has this box, and I just saw this little thing under here, and he won't let me lift the flap up, because underneath he won't let me lift it up, because underneath there's a picture of a cat. Oh, yo. He looks so smart. Guys, he's evil. That's your cue.